Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Start Fishing. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but there's been a lot going on in my life that needed to be taken care of before I could focus on the channel again. Now, if you weren't aware, my family and I moved to Port Wentworth, Georgia back in July. The wife and I have both taken jobs working for the school district, so I'm thrilled to be able to finally sit down and push out a new video. This trip took place the Monday after Hurricane Ian hit, so it's been a little over a month, and I'm targeting one of my favorite fish, sheepshead. Most of my experience targeting this fish has been over in the Hilton Head Island area, so this is all new to me, but it's been my experience that sheepshead can potentially be caught at any bridge, the jetties, or any dock that you can pull up underneath, and just, you never know. Now, if you don't recognize this bridge here, it's the last one before coming onto Tybee Island. Hey, look at that. There's my first fish. Man, they fight hard. Imagine catching a 6-pound shell cracker. Wow. Inches. What a way to start the trip. Now, that's a big sheepshead. It's, I think it measured in at like 20 inches long. This is the first trip where I've actually caught some decent fish since moving here. It's going to take some time to learn how to fish the coast, especially since the environment's constantly fluctuating due to the tides. Whoops, I missed that one. Oh, there's another one. Now, my go-to bait for sheepshead are filler crabs whenever I can get my hands on them. I'm actually using a drop shot method with my hook about 1 foot above a 1-ounce sinker. Now, there are a lot of different ways to target sheep, but for me, this is the most effective rig to feel bites and hook them. Even then, I'd say it takes about 10 fillers to catch one sheep. Sometimes less, and there is always a chance that no matter how good your hook set is, that you're going to lose them on the way up due to their incredibly hard mouths. Now in Georgia, the daily limit for sheepshead is 15, and they have to be longer than 10 inches measured to the fork of the tail. For For me personally, I normally stop at 5 and try to keep the fish between 15 and 17 inches, which seem to provide really nice fillets. Now, as you can see, I'm simply pitching up towards that bridge with the intention of placing the fiddler in the slack water caused by that concrete. The bite is so hard to feel sometimes. There it is. This one is on the small side, so I'll be letting it go to grow up. Now that fish was hooked really well, so for the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward. But this is the next fiddler crab. Oh, look there. Back-to-back sheep. Now that's unusual since they are such notorious bait stealers. Not big enough for me though, so back she goes. Now let's see what happens on the next fiddler. Is it possible that I can get 3 in a row? Whoops, cleaned again. So there goes my hope for 3 in a row. Oh, but I'll take 3 for 4 any day. That's another nice one. Anytime you need the net, it's an eating size fish. Not bad. 17 inches. I think I caught a total of about 10 with 4 to 5 really nice keepers. So that's it for this video. If you've got any questions, be sure to leave a comment, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe. I'm looking forward to sharing with everyone my experience as I relearn how to fish in saltwater. Perhaps we can learn together so that you can teach me something as well. Take care, everyone, and remember, if you see me out on the water, be sure to stop and say hello.